welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a little extra speed POV. So I have a very special power, which you all have if you ever care to use it. And that is the power of editing. And that power enables me to be able to drive in two cars simultaneously at the same time down the same road at just speed, which some of you just seem to love on the other POVs, as I teleport between the two cars. POV speed. Sunday afternoon, heat wave, 29.5 degrees, 7 o'clock, there's a bump in the road here. There it is. I think I need another gear. I'm looking for another gear there. Not using the paddles, everyone, just letting this DSG gearbox do its thing. Definite brakes into here. Get to know the road well, around, and then it straightens a bit. And it's long. You think it's finished and it's not. It straightens up a little bit here and then it goes again. And then there's definitely cars on this road because I saw them. We're onto an immensely straight bit. Okay. Whoa, 53, 54, 55, 56, 58, 60, oh, 63, yeah, 63. Right, I'm going to go as far down here as the Atcham section where I did the drive POV recently, then I'll turn around and come back. So as you know, if you watch my other videos, I normally do a mix of straight and windy, but today I've just gone with straight on straight. I didn't expect this many cars, I'll be honest. I thought there would be less because I thought everyone would stay out of the sun. Overtake for the R. Okay, and we're coming up to the Atcham turn again, so we're going to slow here. Oh, oh, can you hear it? The exhaust. Right, so let me find somewhere to turn round and I can go back down again. Brakes for here. All my stuff rattling around on that chair. You'd have thought I'd move that, everyone, wouldn't you? I wasn't doing corners though, that was the plan. Okay, so we're coming back down now, the Atcham Road. I did pass a tractor on the way up, so we will definitely encounter that unless it has turned off. Just about here I saw it. Okay everyone, so back down we go. I did wait a little bit just for the R to cool down. Was panting, no wonder. 29.5 degrees. And I gotta say, while I was sitting there, there were some people properly flying down it. Not like me, I'm just at 48, 49, oof, nearly at 50 there. I've covered the speed up so that I can call it out to you. It's more exciting, isn't it? Okay, out of that corner, 28 there, miles an hour. Oh, 45, 46, 50. Oh yeah, 53. Okay, so as I said, just like a speed freak drive. I'm going to go back on to the B road. Here we go, that was lucky, just in front of a tractor holding up a big row of traffic. If I see the B road number, I shall tell you what it is. Road Eater. Now this is a deceptively sharp turn, so a bit of brake here, down a gear definitely, and then once you're in it, you're in it. Yep, there we go. Okay, the blaster home. I hope you're getting when we're switching between cars here. It should be fairly easily recognisable, I would have thought. Oh, 63 again. Corner, definite slow for here. And once you're in, you can power in. Yeah, there was cars in front of me, everyone, on the R drive that weren't driving at 63, 64, 65, 66. Got my foot hovering over the clutch like I'm going to need it. Oh my god. Now I'm doing at least 59 now. Getting up to 60, 61, ooh, 62, yeah! Bit of a bend, no need for a gear change here. Oh, we've been really lucky there, coming back in the GTI. Okay, there's the cars we've caught up with. So, see, hitting them at 44, it really does bounce you around, even in the R. What have we got? Have we got room here? Yeah. Okay. Well, the GTI is obviously going to finish this video off, isn't it? Well, there we go, there's one too, and this corner's deceptive, but you can definitely, we'll go down a gear anyway, just to drag us in a bit more, and away we go. said, which is where we come to an end. Oh, 58, 59, 60, 61. Oh, thanks for watching, everyone.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flaws.